Today I have got a small update to my News Studio and Space Lab mock, which is going alongside part of my monthly build, which was obviously the Space People Pack. If you guys saw my thoughts video recently on that set, you'll like to see what I have done and how I've integrated the parts of the set into the building that I have turned into a science lab or space lab. And so I've got all of the builds from the set in here somewhere. We've got the two smaller rooms, which I've removed the doors from each of the rooms, partly because this is just an open area for the most part, so I just removed the doors, so I will use those somewhere else in the city, possibly some mock that'll be a 16 by 32, possibly, I don't know. Maybe, then again, I might change it up somewhere. But we've got the science lab area, like the main lab for the scientists from the space research set, with one of the builds, and then you've got the little crash cart in that area as well. That room is kind of reserved as a full-on science lab. And then you've got the testing floor, which has the flight simulator thing for testing the astronauts. And then in the back corner here, you've got the little simulated moon thing that's supposed to represent the moon or Mars or something. I think it's probably Mars, because that's what their things were for the space sets, was Mars and all that. And then you've got this robot build, which isn't great, as I said in my thoughts video, but it's okay for what it is. I do really like the not flight simulation, but just the spinning thing. I do like that. It does spin, but like normally it would spin, but because of my size that I had to deal with for placing everything, the thing doesn't spin completely, and the rocket thing doesn't spin completely around either. But other than that, I think this turned out really good. The only one little nitpick I have is actually with the drone thing, and that's the fact that I can't put there's no way to put a clear 1x1 brick underneath it so that it looks like it's flying. So that's the only real nitpick I have with the way this all turned out. And you guys can see just a little thing that I did with the alien that comes with the set. You get like an alien head, which I might do something with that. Might put that into one of my other things. I don't know if I will or not, but I might. So that's just a look at my space lab, which is now 100% done. And I still do have that space polybag that I will be building later this month. I don't know if I'll integrate it in with this stuff or not, but you guys can tell me your thoughts on this mock video or addition video in the comments section below, and just like and subscribe for more, because I will do more in the future.